Gobble today. We got our box. Oh, look, it comes in one box. We're gonna go open the box. Let's see what we're gonna make for dinner tonight. We better get it cooking quick because we gotta be done with dinner in a half hour. There's my recipes right on top. Big ice pack. Smells good. Let's see, here's D, recipe D, B, G, G, separate other recipes, and J. 3 recipes, all in separate bags. That's nice. Oh, cheese is grated. Here's our meats. Oh, looks like they gave us cookies. We can't eat those because they're not gluten-free. Oh, look. We can't eat them. They're not gluten-free, contains wheat. At least it tells the allergies right on there. Okay, let's get cooking. What are we going to cook tonight? Hopefully. Stuffed roasted poblano peppers, and I'll just get that tonight. Hand-seared bistro filet steak or chili rub chicken thighs.
Chili rub chicken thighs.
Steak.
Chili rub chicken
With
thighs.
cauliflower rice and balsamic glaze. Do you have the chicken? Okay, we'll do the chicken. This is recipe. This is gonna be the zucchini one. This is hand-seared. This is G. Right here. Looks like the chickens are already seasoned. This one's different than the others. For cooking, everything's packaged. Mexican style black beans. I washed my zucchini. They're not organic with Gobble, so I washed them good with the thingy. Oh, and Roxy loves zucchini, so I'll give her some. Okay. So these are fully cooked. That's different than my other ones. You know these? Fully cooked right here. So I guess we're just gonna heat them up. Timer's off. Dinner's done. The Gobble box is cleaned up while we were cooking.
Where'd you open the front door? The tractor's right on the side.
Kids usually don't like pesto sauce or the sauces, so we only put it on the adults.
The zucchini is really good.
See?
And salt.
Is it good, Cole?
I think the
Sure.
sausages are part of the
Yes.
actually part of the best part.
But they never eat the sauces. Sure
The
is actually
zucchini is
pretty
the
good
best
for this one. It's usually either terrible, not as bad as I thought, or sure. So sure is actually probably pretty good. Okay, for Gobble, thumbs up on flavor, ease. Yes, I'm licking my fingers. Thumbs up for flavor, ease of cooking, how long it took. The kids like it. The bummer parts of it are, it's not organic. And we eat a lot of organic in this house. We try to eat almost everything in the house organic. So when we go out, it's very hard to find. The other part is I had to skip next week's delivery because next week I can only find 2 recipes that were gluten-free in the choices. So they don't have a lot of gluten-free options, but so far so good. This is only our first recipe.